So what I want you to walk away from is understanding that performance management, when it's integrated, is actually a proactive approach.
We're not doing well as a profession in hiring.
Employee engagement just isn't one factor. There's not a single silver bullet.
And if they're engaged, they're just going to do what? Give you a better service. And if it's a profit situation, you should make more money.
If you tie pay to performance, it becomes about the money.
We're only getting it right about 50% of the time.
Should we be looking at developing our employees so that they stay with us longer?
You want to know who's going to be doing really, really well 5 years from now in your industry?
So it's important for you to have a good understanding of what your brand is and to let people know.
If you say you want change in your organization, but you criticize people when they make mistakes, are you going to have much change?
The way you solve problems is actually getting together in a room of people and talking about the issue.